something about parrotfish, just nice. And parrotfish, guys, if you're interested in this one.
Guys, to some properly clean parrotfish, we're going to season with salt and black pepper. We're going to season this well. We're going to make sure that the salt and pepper go in at the creases, up in at the head of the fish, because guys, it have to be well seasoned. To some hot oil, I'm going to add a hot pepper, pimento seed, garlic, and rosemary to infuse the oil with flavor, because guys, remember, we're going to season the fish with salt and pepper. Then I'm going to carefully place the fish into the hot oil. Make sure the oil is hot properly before adding the fish. For these medium-sized fish, guys, I fried on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. And we have to make sure so the fish fry dry, because remember, after we fry the fish, we're going to place the fish into a sauce. And you don't want the fish to be too soggy. Once I reach that 8 minutes, I just remove the fish from the oil and add them to a wire rack so that we can drain that excess oil. In a Dutch pot, I add a little vegetable oil, followed up by some crushed garlic and pimento seed. I then added some scallion, onion, hot pepper, fresh thyme. I saute everything until the onion became translucent. Then I create a space in the center of all the vegetables so that I can add my tomato paste. I let it cook for about a minute to bring out the rich flavor. Then I mix everything together. Next, I added some fresh tomato and let that saute, and then I pour in some chicken stock. In a small cup, I mix about, I'm going to say 1 tablespoon of ketchup and about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I mix that properly, and then I add that into the pot. I stir everything together, cover it, and allow the sauce to come together and slightly thicken. Once the gravy is ready, I gently add the fish to the pot, along with some carrot, some mixed bell peppers. I added green, red, and yellow bell peppers. I cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, occasionally basting the fish with that rich sauce. After 10 minutes, if the sauce is rich and nice, that means that the fish ready. But if it needs to go down a little more, just leave the pot uncovered for a few more minutes and just let it reduce. And there you have it. Guys, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like, leave a comment, spread the words. And I'll see you guys in another one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.